Hey guys, here's a look at this Toyota Tacoma back window, and we're going to replace it with this one. I got this one from the junkyard for about 300 bucks, and they pulled it off. It was ready to go. I just showed up there and paid them. Took a look at it. Looked good. It actually came off another Toyota, so now we're going to go ahead and remove this one. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove these little screws that are on there. And then we're just going to need to basically cut the thing loose. There's the existing studs that are coming out of the new window. Going ahead and removing those. Now to remove this window, we used a combination of this oscillating tool, this electric oscillating tool, also some manual knives and razor blades. Okay, we got the old one off there. It took some work, took some cutting. Just used razor blades and some long knives and just kind of worked our way around there till it popped off. Now we're gonna get it all cleaned up and take a razor blade and just go all along here and get it all clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this all up with acetone. Tried to get it as smooth as we could around there, leaving a small thin layer right here. Here we couldn't help it, got down to clean metal. We're just going to get it all cleaned up with the acetone. Now it's time for a little test fit to make sure this thing fits up as it should. Well, the test fit was successful, and now we'll go ahead and continue with the installation process. All right, I got this 3M window weld, super fast urethane, 08609, this stuff, and it's got primer with it, so it's single step primer. We're going to go ahead and put primer everywhere and then wait about 5 to 10 minutes till it's not tacky anymore, and then we can go ahead and apply our window weld here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this primer on now. Now just use some clamps and some tape to hold the thing in. There it is. Now I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours and take the clamps and tape off after that. All right guys, here it is 24 hours later, and I'm super happy with the results of this project. So fulfilling to be able to do this ourselves. We saved a bunch of money. So we're into this for less than 500 bucks. So 300 for the window, 100 and some change for the adhesive. If you were to buy some clamps and some tape, that would put you right around 5. But we're just above 4 with this project and very pleased with it. Really happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching, everybody.